All right, so we got this bike for my son. Honestly, mostly because it's orange and his favorite color is orange. But we've been really happy with it. He's had it for a couple months now. I just want to show my favorite features. So he loves that there is a brake up here, but I love that back pedal is also the brake. So you have two forms of the brake, back pedal and this, and you can adjust this if needed. We have really nice tires. They're a little thicker than his previous bike, which he likes. It gives some more stability. And it has a kickstand. I'll show you the kickstand. It's pretty easy for my 4-year-old to put down and put up all by himself, which has been really, really nice. So overall, we've been really happy with this bike. It's a great, cute little bike. I think it comes in a couple different colors, but my son, favorite color is orange. He's loved it. We highly recommend this one.